Hey guys, Trevor here with E-commerce Paradise. Today's video I'm going to show you Answer the Public. It's a great keyword research tool for finding the best keywords to answer the questions people are already asking in your niche today. If it's your first time watching the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you see, please hit that like button as well. Now let's get into the video. Alright folks, so when you click the link below in the description, you'll land on this page. Now this is AnswerThePublic.com. They got a great keyword research tool here that will actually give you kind of the long tail and question-based keywords that you should be answering so that you can actually create great content for your niche audience online. This is great for blogs, for affiliate marketing, for blogs for drop shipping. This is great for YouTube channels and podcasting as well. So let's just say we're going to be talking about life hacking. Maybe you want to start a podcast about life hacking. Here's an example. So what it's going to do is going to load up all the different questions, prepositions, comparisons, alphabeticals, and related keywords in your niche. So here are 4 question examples. What is life hacking? And when did life hacking start? And by the way, it's kind of difficult to see this stuff sometimes, so you can switch from the visualization to the data chart, and you can get an idea of the different keywords that are showing up here, like this. Life hacks for students about a healthy lifestyle. Life hacks for home. Life hacking with things. Life hack. The only thing it doesn't do is it doesn't show you the actual keyword search volume and stuff like that, so you have to use a separate tool like KWFinder or Longtail Pro, which I have reviews of on my channel. But these are great ways to find content for your blog. Let's do another search. Let's say you're doing drop shipping, high ticket like I teach, and you want to sell wine coolers. Okay, so it looks like we got some data here. So here's some great blog post ideas. Are wine coolers worth it? Are wine coolers noisy? Are wine coolers any good? Are wine coolers cold enough for beer? So, you can see here for any dropshipping store, any niche, you'd probably be able to find tons of different blog post ideas just using this simple tool, which is great. There's some comparisons. Wine coolers and breastfeeding, which is kind of strange. Wine coolers that look like furniture. These could be like categories on your website. Let's see here. And then these are alphabeticals. Just keywords you probably see pop up in your ads and stuff like that. You might rank for on Google. And here's the related keywords. Okay, so lots of great ideas. Now, that's basically how to use Answer the Public. It's really simple, and they also have a cool thing called Upgrade to Pro. So they have a Pro option. It's basically for either freelancers, agencies, and teams of every stage, shape, and size. So free, you get a trial run and swipe a few content ideas on us. Okay, limited daily searches is the issue. You only get a few daily searches. With the monthly plan, $99 a month, cancel anytime, you get more search data, a host of pro-only features, and build a winning content strategy. You get unlimited searches, unlimited users, compare data over time, CSV export, hide branches, suggestions, high resolution images, and priority customer support. You also get an ebook and a video course, how to master Answer the Public, which is really cool. And then of course they have the annual plan, which you save some more money. And you even get another video course, search listening, and the customer journey. Right, so there's some great options here, and if you feel like you want to expand upon what you're doing, or you have an agency, this is a great option. So definitely upgrade to Pro. Click the link in the description below to get going with that. And if you have any questions, you can always drop a comment below and let me know. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this Answer the Public review. Answer the Public is a really great tool, so definitely get started using it today for free. And if you're interested in Pro, because you're an agency or you have a business you want to help other people, definitely get started with Pro today using the link below. Thanks so much for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.